Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by bringing the kit into Figma so you can work immediately. Open or sign into Figma, then add the material design kit as a team library or import the Fig file. Once added, create a new file and drag core components onto the canvas to avoid duplicating work. Make sure styles and tokens sync. This prevents mismatched colors and typography later. After that, organize a components page and name groups clearly, because consistent naming speeds up the next steps. Now you tailor the kit to your project. You should update color tokens and typography styles first so all components inherit correct values. This is faster than editing each instance. Next, convert repeated states into variants and apply auto layout to containers so elements scale predictably. Once you modify a master component, publish those changes to the team library so teammates get the updates. By working from tokens to components, you reduce inconsistencies and speed handoff to developers. Finish by building and testing a prototype using the kit's interactive states. Wire components with variant triggers and transitions in the Prototype tab, then run presentation mode on desktop or mobile to validate flows and timing. Make sure spacing and accessible contrast meet requirements before exporting assets as SVG, PNG, or WebP, or before sharing tokens with developers. If components appear broken after changes, relink instances to the updated master component or restore from version history.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.